Have you ever noticed how every AI music channel looks exactly the same? Bland visualizers, zero personality, just music playing on a loop. But what if I told you there's a way to completely revolutionize this space and make your channel impossible to ignore? I've been analyzing the most successful AI music creators, and while they're racking up views, they're all missing one game-changing element, something that could push AI music content to an entirely new level. Now picture this, an AI music channel where you're not just listening to tracks, but watching an AI-powered performer bring the music to life. This isn't just another playlist, it's an immersive experience that keeps viewers hooked. And today, I'm unveiling the exact blueprint for creating these next-level AI music videos. For free, no hidden costs, no gimmicks, just pure, actionable value. First, we need to create the star of the show, your AI performer. For that, we'll use wondersharevirbo, one of the most powerful AI avatar generators available. Head over to wondersharevirbo's website and decide whether you want to download the software or use the web version. I recommend the online version for its convenience. So let's roll with that. Virbo offers over 300 pre-made avatars, but we're aiming for something unique, an AI performer that stands out. So we're going to create our own. Click on Create New Photo and select Generate with Text. Now, it's time to craft the perfect description for your AI singer. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to fine-tune the details. For example, let's generate a male singer in a music studio, gripping a microphone with confidence, long hair flowing, exuding a modern, stylish vibe. Enter that description, click Generate, and watch as Virbo brings your AI performer to life. Choose your favorite version and save it, but don't stop there. We need to make this avatar move. Now, let's animate our AI singer. Click Add Motion, then Start Training, and let Virbo work its magic. Within moments, your static avatar transforms into a dynamic performer, ready to take center stage. It looks incredible, but we're missing one final piece, the music. Let's sync everything up. Instead of using text-to-speech, we're uploading an actual song. Click on Audio Script and select a royalty. Free track as an example, something cinematic, upbeat, or fitting for your niche. Upload the file, set the language to English, and hit apply. And just like that, your AI singer is ready to perform, bringing your music to life in a way no ordinary visualizer ever could. Let's check out the final result.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright.
And there you have it, a fully animated AI music video that's ready to dominate YouTube. With Virbo's free plan, you can create videos up to 2 minutes long, perfect for testing the waters before scaling up. If you want to unlock even more features, their premium plans have you covered. If you found this guide valuable, hit that subscribe button for more AI-powered content. Let me know in the comments what kind of AI music videos you're planning to create. I'll see you in the next video.